Be part of the conversation with Relay UK, the smart way to communicate if you can't hear or speak clearly. By linking your phone number and confirming it with a quick call, you can choose between the communication preferences so that the app suits your needs. Then, after giving access to your contacts, you're ready to start making calls, while one of our relay assistants supports the conversation. It's that easy. Simply type what you would like to say, and our assistant will relay it to the other person for you. Then, read the replies on screen as they happen. And with the option to save calls, conversations can be stored with ease. Take the stress out of phone calls and let Relay UK help you with those all-important conversations.